In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram video calls not working. So first thing you want to do is I recommend that you check if there's any updates for your app in Instagram. So go to Play Store here and search for Instagram and see if there's any updates. So here, as you see, I have an update, so I'm just going to update it really quickly. Okay, it finished updating, so hopefully this should fix your issue, but if it didn't, then here's what you can do. You want to go back to Instagram and then go to your profile page, click at the top right, and then you want to go down and click notifications and then click calls, and make sure this is turned to either from profiles I follow or to from everyone. Just click from everyone and then go back here, go all the way back, and then go all the way down until you see data usage and media quality. Click on that and make sure data saver is turned off. And now you want to go back here and go to the phone settings and then search for apps. Click on apps and you want to search now for Instagram inside of apps. Click on Instagram and then here you want to make sure to go to notifications and video calls and make sure everything here is enabled, and go back, and if you had allow notifications disabled, make sure to also enable it. Now you want to go back again and click on permissions and make sure to give permission for camera and call logs, telephone and microphone. And now you want to go back and hopefully this should fix your issue now. Okay guys, so hopefully this should have fixed your problem. If it didn't, then just try one last thing, which is delete your Instagram and then reinstall it again, and hopefully this should fix the issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.